What's going on? It's your boy Cartoon here with Cartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to put a tempered glass on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Stay tuned. So you need to protect your investment, and how to protect your investment is with a tempered glass. And I just got the Spigen glass easy fit. So let's see how easy it is to do this, but it shouldn't be no heartbreaking. Nothing that difficult, but we're still gonna go to it. Let me know in the comment below what tempered glass you use on your iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, 15 Plus, 15, or whatever phone you have. Let me know in the comment below which one you use. So let's install this bad boy. You need to protect your investment, so can't beat that. So let's see what we get inside. So this one comes with 2 tempered glass. So we're just gonna check and see what we get inside. We get an instruction little paper. What do we get in here? So we got in here 1 cleaning lens package, 1 little microfiber, the dust sticking removal, and then you get 2 of the tempered glass that you need to use, and a little squeegee to squeegee all the air. So let me get everything set up because I'm only going to use one. Hopefully I'm only going to use one. So let me put everything how it's supposed to be so we could do the installation. All right, so I got everything lined up, set up. So we're going to look at how everything is set. First, clean your surface, right? So we're going to I'm going to take a seat. So we're going to clean it. So I guess we're going to use this white thing off, right? So we're gonna clean it. Number 2, it says peel the back. So we're gonna peel the back. Number 3, it says place it on your phone. We're gonna place it. Right? So then it says press here for 30 seconds. So it says press here. And then it says remove from here. Right? So then we're going to remove this. Right? On the text message. Then it says remove the film protector. Remove it. This is squeegee or air bubble. So we're going to just, not a lot left, but we're going to move it out. Hey, it's a success. Oh man, this was easy. Can't get any easier than this. I think this is the first time I ever did it that I ain't get no dirt, no nothing. I don't see nothing at all. And it was a smooth process. Shout out to Spigen. They did a dope job. Didn't need to use the dust removal because my phone was clean as it is. So from the last video, y'all seen that I cleaned my phone, so I had no dust. Make sure I wash my hand. Make sure that I had no oil because, believe it or not, you do build oil in your hands. And before you do it, just wash your hands with soap to minimize the oil that you could just transfer while cleaning it. But it was a smooth process. Big shout out to Spigen. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can get this product. And also I'm going to leave a link down below to my Cash App. Let me know what y'all think about this video. Let me know what kind of screen protector y'all use in the comment below. It's nice and clean. I protected my investment. Big shout out to Spigen again. I'm like surprised for all this. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and make sure you hit that bell notification. So every time I upload a video, you will get notified. It's your boy Cartoon. Peace.